Hello, Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a pair of PC speakers with me by Edifier, the R33BT. But before that, please show some support for the channel. Give us a sub and a thumbs up if you like this video. We would really appreciate it. Right, let's take a look at these speakers. The Edifier R33BT are an active pair of computer speakers. Spec-wise, we've got connectivity via Bluetooth 5.0 and aux in, frequency response of 70 Hz to 20 kHz, a noise level of less than 25 dBA, and a total output of 10 watts, 5 watts per speaker. Each speaker has a 0.5-inch tweeter plus a 3.5-inch bass driver. Edifier have gone for a very subtle, simplistic appearance with these. MDF casing black stained throughout, highlighting the wood grain really nicely. There is a glossy black plastic and mesh cover to each speaker, which can be removed if you wanted to. Underneath the speaker, 4 small rubber feet sit the speaker proud and help with vibration transfer. The right speaker is the master with the built-in amplifier and includes the aux input, aux out to the left speaker, and power on off. The power cable is hardwired into the right speaker and the aux link cable between the two is also hardwired into the left speaker. The length of that link cable is about 2.5 meters. To the very top of the right speaker, 3 buttons. The central button is used for switching between the sources, with the left and right used for volume control only. It won't change track, and there is no remote control with these either. Size-wise, 116mm wide, 160 high, 205 deep. They're certainly compact. You can pick them up with just one hand, and for me, my monitors are on a desk arm and high enough from the desk that I can put them underneath, which looks pretty tidy. Setup and using the speakers is dead simple. It's just plug and play, and the only thing you really need to consider is positioning the speakers, noting that 2.5 meter long link cable. Choose either Bluetooth or aux in, connect it to your smart device and hit play. As for audio performance, based on the size, spec and price, I think they sound pretty good and they're fit for purpose. Volume, plentiful. They can get more than loud enough to fill your home office with music. Listening to something a little bass heavy, the bass is lacking in a big way, and the 3.5-inch drivers just don't have enough punch at the higher volumes to keep up with the mids and highs. Turn the volume down a little bit, low to mid volume, and the lack of bass is less apparent, and it's actually quite an enjoyable experience. Let's play some music and have a listen. Listening to music, I use the Bluetooth feature, but these are of course PC speakers, so I plugged them directly into my motherboard on my PC, played some games and watched some content on various streaming sources. A similar experience with the music. Video content was good, watching YouTube videos or a movie on Netflix. The dialogue was clear, background effects pretty good, all very pleasant, but not quite that cinematic experience. Same with games, although I would have liked a little more oomph when something would be exploding while I was playing the Battlefield 2042 beta. Would I use these for gaming? No, not unless it was a game like Age of Empires or something similar. Playing a first-person shooter, you need that spatial awareness to hear your enemies coming, which isn't that accurate with PC speakers. No fault of Edifier's, headsets are just better than PC speakers in this instant. All things considered, the R33BT are a worthy choice for a set of PC speakers. If you wanted something a little more serious, something with a better musical audio experience, Edifier has a number of active bookshelf speakers that, if you have the space, would look and sound even better on your desk. Not too long ago, we tried out the AirPulse A80s, a sister brand to Edifier, and they were superb, although completely different ball game in terms of spec and price. I like the size, they're great for the desk, I like the subtle appearance. With the grill off, I'm not really a grill fan generally. Bluetooth and aux in should be enough. At this price, you can't expect optical in or HDMI ARC. Controls wise and the audio performance is good at low to mid volumes for PC content and background music. The R33BTs currently retail for $69.99 here in the UK and are available online at retailers like Amazon. That is a wrap on this video. If you have stuck around until the end, then thank you very much. If you want to see more of our content, hit that subscribe button and all our future videos will pop up in your feed.